This is how to use the three dots settings area on TradingView. On the upper right corner of the window, you see three dots. You click on them. There's a drop-down bar with a few options. First, you can change the theme of TradingView. You can have it light or dark. You can zoom in and out. I keep it zoomed in to make it easier for you guys to see. You can open a new tab on TradingView. Let's put it back to white. We can open a new window, which we don't need to do right now, and reopen closed window. So I just open and close this. And you can access settings real quick. So these are the app settings that you can use to change things. And real quick, that's how you can use the three dot settings area on TradingView.